Had a boy, Clyde.
What's going on, guys? It's been a while since I put a quail hunting video out. This is the first one of the season. It's going to be all of my November and some of my December hunts. Just kind of been taking me a little bit of time to put it all together, and I just don't want to sacrifice my hunting time to make some videos. So here we are. But it's gonna be some longer clips. It's not just gonna be walking up to a dog on point. There are a few of those, but for the most part, it's gonna be the whole sequence of the dog, working birds, going on point, walking up to them. It's gonna be a little bit more kind of talking in there amongst myself, with my buddies, whatever. So I hope y'all enjoy it. And like I said, if you're here just to see birds get shot, it's probably not the video for you. There's a lot of bird work, a lot of dog work in this video. So I hope y'all enjoy it, and we'll see y'all on the next one. I got old Clyde, man, out to start it out, and this was really early in the season. It was hot, pretty humid, no wind at all, and he just gets a little bit too close to these birds. You'll kind of see how he evolves throughout this set of videos, and his confidence gains. You can see his tail starts sticking straight back up again. He just starts gaining a lot more confidence. But I probably should have shot this second group of birds that got up after he stopped to flush, but that's alright.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Okay.
So we kept on hunting, and Clyde ends up working some birds. I can tell he's working birds, and he ends up going on point. Again, his confidence level slowly increasing as as the month goes on and as hunting season goes on. But early on, he kind of questioned himself a lot, and you'll kind of see that in this video. But he did a nice stop to flush, and I gave him a shot for that.
Had a boy.
Here I got Hallie and Chip out, and this is just a true testament to how bad scent conditions are. Hallie never flags or, questions herself on point really, and you'll see whenever she goes on point on these birds, she's flagging a little bit, She's kind of moving her head around some. She's just not real sure. And I mean, it was just still out there. I mean, you could barely see the grass moving. But dogs did great. So this was still early in the season, but this day is really whenever I started seeing a progression with Clyde, and I could kind of see the confidence starting to build.
Atta boy. Atta boy, Clyde, in here. Hunt him in here. Atta man. Clyde. Clyde. Clyde.
Retrieving is not Clyde's strong. It's not his strong suit, but that's all right. We'll work on that, and haven't really done a whole lot of retrieving work with him.
Dead bird. Dead bird. Atta man. Atta boy. Here. Clyde, here. Clyde, here. Clyde, hey, hey, hey. Clyde. Here, buddy.
He had actually smelt this other bird that I shot. I shot a double over him, and he smelt the other bird laying on the ground right there.
Hunt him up. There should be another one somewhere. All right. Atta boy. Atta boy. Atta boy. Good old bird.
So this sequence is pretty cool. I watched him work these birds for probably 50 to 75 yards before this, and he's being very cautious. He's confident, and you'll see that whenever he finally locks these birds down. And I was kind of harping on him a little bit in the beginning just because I had a really good feeling there was birds there, and I thought he was trying to relocate a little bit too much, but they had to have been running on him or moving on. But really proud of Clyde for this sequence right here.
Whoa. 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 Okay. Easy. Atta boy, Clyde. Hey, hunt him in here. Atta boy. Here. Here, buddy. Here. Clyde, here. Here. Yeah, atta man. Good boy. Here. Get your bird. Get your bird. Atta man. Atta man. Good boy.
So I learned a lot from this covey found by Clyde right here. I learned that, one, always trust your dog, and if the dog points, confidently walk up in there and try to flush birds. I wasn't real sure if he had birds, and I kind of walked in there, stood there for a second, and I probably made him lose a little bit of confidence in himself. He ends up relocating on these birds, and they got up, and he stopped to flush, so I shot. I didn't really think it was that big of a deal. I don't think he was intentionally trying to bust birds, but if you watch him right here, his style's starting to come back a lot more, and he's looking really nice on point, and this is just confidence. I mean, he's a young dog, but super happy with it, and like I said, I can always improve as a handler, and a lot of this was my fault right here.
Whoa.
The wind's also coming right from behind Clyde. It's blowing at his back. So I'm not 100% sure that he knew exactly where they were at, which an older dog would feel confident knowing that they smelt the birds initially and stop and stay.
Whoa. Atta boy. Atta boy, Clyde. That bird. There's a road right here, Ed.
Now right here I got a Chip out or something with my buddy Ed, and you'll see Chip runs right up in the middle of these birds, and I don't think he ever had a clue they were there, never smelled them. He stopped to flush and then moving a little bit. This is the first contact that Chip's had with a covey all season, so kind of expected a little bit of this. But I ended up shooting birds over him. He's old enough and he knows what the game is and knows how to do it, so.
Yeah, it's a road, but I think it cuts back left. This cover right in here actually looks pretty good.
Golly, that's not like they just got up. 2 of them.
That was quail. That was a whole covey. Whoa. He stopped. Whoa. 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 You kill one? I got one right there.
I got one. I don't know. I was aiming at this one. We might have been aiming at the same one. It fell right behind that tree.
Okay, well I got one that's over there. Fetch it up. Here. Atta boy. Here. Heel. Heel. Give it. You got one right here. Chip, in here. Chip. Hey, fetch it in here. Right in here somewhere, Ed.
Went behind this tree somewhere.
Fetch it in here. So I'm letting this one play out through the whole video, and just to show y'all kind of how an experienced dog will work, and just trusting them, and you know, understanding when they're birding and when they're not. And I could tell that Hallie knew that there was birds in here somewhere, so I just let her work, and we just kind of stood there for a minute. She ended up coming up with some birds. They've been in here. See all the food in here?
What's that?
Partridge pea all in here.
Yeah. Yeah, stick in here.
She's still birdie right there. She's on point right here, Ed. Hey, she's on point.
probably birds right here. Yep. Good God, dude.
Hey, couldn't even pick that one out and shoot him. How many did you knock down?
One. Dude.
That was crazy.
That was a 20.
I'm like sitting there, I'm like, which one to pick out? And I just kind of shot it. And I was like, crap.
How many birds were in that?
I don't know. There's a bunch though.
I knew she had birds. Hallie, fetch it up. Dude.
That was awesome. Oh gosh.
They all went that way, didn't they?
Yeah, they did.
I saw it. Did you hear me say they're right here? I see them. Come here, Hallie. Good girl. Well, you had them birds pinned down. I knew they were in here somewhere.
You know, the closest one, by the time I got here, it like went behind the tree. I'm like, well, I got to pick another one. Man.
Good job, girl. Hold it. Had a girl.
So on this day, I was out hunting my papa, and it was a pretty cool moment because we put Clyde on the ground, and my papa said it's been a long time since he's seen a covey rise over a pointer. He used to hunt with pointers and setters back in the day, and I feel like it was a full circle moment for him to see a covey rise over a pointer.
What's he doing? He's looking at us, probably. They've been in here. They've been in here. Papa. I killed one. That made it worth it right there, Papa.
Get one?
I got one.
They got right up in that.
Oh, I don't even want to hear it.
Look at it. Flew right there where that damn sun is.
So we're going to end it off on this one. Got Clyde on the ground, and the GoPro ended up dying, so I had to charge the battery pack. Got the GoPro started pretty late, and Clyde goes on point. As I'm walking up, I can see these birds running on the ground, and I ended up shooting a triple over this covey. I kind of regretted it later because it wasn't a huge covey, but I definitely won't be hitting those birds again.
Had a boy, Clyde. Adam.
I appreciate y'all watching, and I hope y'all enjoy watching pointing dogs as much as I do, and watching dogs work birds. So, see y'all on the next one.